Okay, guys, it's lunchtime. All right, so I have a real confession to make. Yesterday, my girl got up and she packed lunch for me, and I forgot it. And she asked me about it. You know, I didn't want to sit down and be the jerk, be like, "Oh, babe, I forgot your stuff," and didn't eat it. So I forgot it at the house. I told her I ate it, and she was all interested into this meal prep. So what I'm getting ready to do now is try it. But this today is day two. You have to understand today is day two. I told her that I ate it, and she found out this morning that I didn't eat it. But it's okay because day two is still looking good. Okay, so we have turkey meat to make tacos. The actual tortillas were fried a couple days ago. The salsa and everything, oh, it's still fresh. And the cheese is fresh. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pop this in for about 15 seconds for the tortilla. Then we're going to finish reheating up the turkey meat. So 15 seconds. Here we go. Now, we're gonna actually sit down and do this. She took some real time to actually make this meal for me. She got up, she did a meal prep, the whole nine. You know, I feel so bad that I forgot it and left it in her refrigerator. On top of that, and then told her I ate it. Baby, I'm sorry for that. But we're gonna sit down and see exactly what this do. 15 seconds for the tortilla. Oh, they're nice and warm. Great. We're gonna put these back in. We're gonna put another 45 seconds on the meat. So the tortillas are nice and still fluff. They still have a nice little. Because I told her I wanted it soft, but you know what? They're still nice soft. They're already fried. Everything is already put together. My mouth is watering already. She did a little salsa for me. She got a little cheese to set it out. Oh man, this is still fresh. You know, I'm wondering if I should squeeze this out or open the bag. I think I'm gonna open the bag and do it. All right, 9 seconds. All right, guys, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, we're back. All right, so we have my plate. I have my tortillas I'm putting right here. Oh my goodness. It smells good. It still smells good. Yes. I have my little toppings. I have my cheese. I have my. All right. All right. I'm setting this down right here. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to. Grab a utensil. We are going to start with our turkey meat. For one, man, I got a lot of turkey meat, babe. I got a lot of turkey meat. And that smells so good. I tasted it. The seasoning is set in, like I told you. And that's hot. Mm. Seasoning definitely set in. Again, man, this is day two, babe. I know I told you I ate it yesterday, but today is day two, and this is still major. The tacos, the shells are even still good, boo. Day two, you know. So you did this the night before. I was supposed to take it yesterday. It stayed in the refrigerator, and I got it today. And we are. All right, so she knows for real, for real. We were straight up with each other's food and so forth. It smells good. It looks good. My actual veggies are fresh. It's still fresh. Yes. My cilantro, my tomatoes are still plump and plush. My little cilantro. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Squeeze this in. I probably could have popped the bag and squeezed it in. That was kind of a suggestion she had made. But you know what I mean? A little hard headed. So we have a little cheese, we have cilantro, we have turkey meat. You know what? She suggested me getting some sour cream and putting on it, but you know, sour cream would have been hit right now. She gave me some green sauce. Green sauce. And let's see. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. That's good. On the way to work today, I thought that it would be the shell that would be the problem. No, bag. The shell is good. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. She took care of me. This was on hit. Mm, mm, mm. Boo. Yes.